Jeda AI has introduced a new feature which is possible to download the whole workspace as a text. So just watch this video. So let me guide you. Here you can see the Jeda AI website, right? Okay, now you have to log in first. Now you can click on the new workspace button here and then you can ask anything here. Okay, I'm going to click on this AI option here and then I need to click on sticky note. So by clicking that, you can get some automatically generated prompts here by using this more option, so you can load more. Okay, so just click something here. So I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to click on the submit button. Now just see the magic. Okay, it will generate some sticky notes with the topic. So great, right? Okay, now you just think you need to download this as a text, so you can click on this button here and then you can click on workspace as text. Also you can download the workspace with a white background and also transparent background. By the way, I'm going to select this workspace as text option here. Now by clicking on that, you will be able to download whole text, which is possible to open by a notepad. So this is amazing, right? Okay, cool. Now just try that and let me know how you think about that. Okay guys, bye.